Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, wait till the end of this video before you quit watching, because there's definitely a trick to this 02 Buick Rendezvous and how to get more than one key fob to work at the same time. So stick around till the end. In this box, you may or may not be able to tell, is a keyless entry fob thingy mabobber. It's for, it says on here, nope, this way. It says it's for a Pontiac Aztec. And that is what they sent me for my Buick Rendezvous, which they're probably the same thing. Just with different names, basically same skin, different name. Maybe a few different features. So I'm hoping this will work. We shall see. If it works, you're going to know how to make this remote work. And it's just something on Amazon my wife got. It says made in China. Y-I-T-A-M-O-T-O-R, car key. So Yata Motor. So don't know if that's the name of the company or what, but it was probably the cheapest one on Amazon or thereabouts. It'll look like that as far as the box. That's what comes in the box. Instructions and the key fob, which does look very similar to the one that came in the car. Came with the car. And surprisingly, it came with a battery in it, it looks like. I believe the last one I bought for my truck did not come with a battery, so anyhow, let's try and see if we can make this thing work. Well, although it came with a battery, the car is actually telling me that the key fob battery is low, so they obviously didn't put a very good battery in, or it has been sitting for a while on a shelf somewhere. Regardless, I need to throw a new battery in it, and that's what it says it's compatible with. So the 02 Buick Rendezvous 01 to 07, so, or if you have any one of these, should work. I'm just gonna say there's quite a few steps. You should read your directions, because that's about all I'm gonna do is sit here and read instructions and make it work. Basically, you put your key in, hold the door lock down, pull your key out, put your key back in. So there's a series of things, and the series are going to change depending on your remote. I don't know how interesting this will be, but I figure I might as well try. So we got the remote, we got the key. First step, put on glasses because my old man eyes don't work. Collect all remotes to be programmed. Already did that. Got all my things. Close all doors. Hold the unlock button on. The driver's door, do not release. So on the driver's door, we're going to hold the button. Insert key into ignition. Do not turn it on. Remove key from ignition. Insert and remove key from ignition. Insert key again, and do not remove it. Okay, so, and then release unlock button. So hopefully I can remember all these things. Let's see. Does this thing got a CD in it or something? I don't know. Car made a few noises, but it didn't really chime that I could see. So I'm not seeing anything here. So we're gonna start from the beginning and reverse steps. Let's see. Remove key from ignition, but it's not. So not doing what it's supposed to. Just press and hold, lock and unlock. Alright. It just made the beep, beep, beep. And it actually comes from the door. It goes beep, beep, beep. And it came from the door. So release. Let's see. Do not remove it. Release unlock button on driver's door will chime 3 times, which it did that. Press and hold the lock and unlock key on this for 30 seconds. Okay, there was no chiming. Still no chiming. Remove key from an in program. So I didn't hear any chiming this time. Of course, as soon as I turn the thing on here, it's going to be screwed up. Now what I did is I made sure I did the key in and out thing quicker this time. So maybe I need to do the press the button quicker this time. So you got to kind of memorize everything that you have to do. So, close all the doors. Hold the unlock button. Okay, hold the unlock button. Driver's side door, do not release. Insert key into the ignition, do not turn it on. Remove key, insert key and remove key. Insert key again and do not remove. So, holding button, insert, remove, insert, remove, insert. And now I don't hear the beeps again. Release, unlock on driver's side door will chime. You heard the chime. Then hold these for 30 seconds. There we go. So 30 seconds. Release button and chime should not sound. This sound signals successful program. Repeat set and additional remotes. Remove key from ignition to end program. Okay, so this key should work. It's working. So if you're having a problem with this, you need to do those steps. Boom, 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 boom. I'm wondering if this one is actually going to work now. Nope, my original one does not work. So I'm going to have to pull it off with a key. So I'm thinking we might have to do, my thing is that I'm wondering if I have to do both of them at the same time. Alright, YouTube, I got the new one working and the old one working. But the reason I'm even doing this video, I hope you guys stay till the end, because there's a definite secret to this. I tried up down, I tried having my kid hold it at the same time, I tried holding both of them at the same time and working the key, and I could only get one to work. Finally, I thought, okay, I'm going to do one, and it beeped twice. I put that one down, I did the other one and waited for probably a good 30 seconds, and finally it beeped twice again in the second remote. So I could only get one remote to work at one time until I did one, set it down, pushed the buttons, and waited for the next one to go. Now I finally have two, but it took me a while to do that, and the instructions do not say anywhere, other than saying you need to do them both, they do not say that you need to do them one and then the other one at the same time. Because if you sit here and try and do one and then go through everything and then do the other one, you're only going to have one. So you got to do one, set that one down, and then do the other and wait for the beep. All at the same, off the same time. So hopefully this was any good for you. This is definitely one of those things. Each car is totally different depending on how you do it. My truck was easier than this one. Anyhow, this is Sam, Jack of all, and obviously Master of none. You all have a good one.